Hello everyone, we are the students of DAV Institute of Engineering and Technology. Our project is wireless charging and automation, revolutionizing the power sector. My name is Varun Chatrat and let me introduce you with my teammates.
My name is Mohammad Rakib.
My name is Ritik Chaudhary.
And we have made this project under the supervision of Dr. Ramneek Singh and our HOD Dr. Neeru Malhotra. The contents of our project are: introduction, what are electric vehicles, need for electric vehicles, what is wireless charging, how it works, economic benefits of wireless charging electric vehicles, infrastructure required to set up a charging station, refueling cost, most tedious specs associated with cable charging, environmental benefits of wireless charging electric vehicle, and conclusions. Now the introduction of electric vehicle will be given by my teammate Mohammad Rakib.
Introduction. The eco-friendly vehicle is the global trend in the automobile industry. The electric vehicle is the most suitable alternative of petroleum vehicle. The large capacity, weight, expensive price, short lifetime and charging time of battery obstruct the commercialization of electric vehicle. To solve these problems, wireless charging of electric vehicle is introduced. What are electric vehicles? An electric vehicle uses one or more electric motor for propulsion. An electric vehicle may be powered through a collector system by electricity from off-vehicle source or may be self-contained with a battery or generator to convert fuel to electricity. EV include road and rail vehicles, surface and underwater vessels, electric aircraft and electric spacecraft. Need for electric vehicles: global warming, climate change, rising prices, acid rain, impact on human health, impact on aquatic life by oil spills. What is wireless charging? Wireless charging uses an electromagnetic field to transfer energy between two objects through electromagnetic induction. Energy is sent through an inductive coupling to an electrical device which can then use that energy to charge the batteries or run that device. Now the working of electric vehicle will be explained by my teammate Varun Chatrat.
How it works. Specifically, the technology works by generating 20 kHz frequencies into an electromagnetic field by a power inverter which are embedded. Wireless charging electric vehicles are built with an onboard pickup device that allows an electric vehicle powered by an underground power line while driving. This allows the vehicle to carry 4 to 5 less battery capacity or weight because it only requires a small battery for minimal operations of the power grind. Construction of roads for online electric vehicles. Electric power strips are buried 30 cm deep under the road surface and connected to the power grid. From the figure, you can understand how the roads are constructed for wireless charging electric vehicle. Now the economic benefits of wireless charging electric vehicles will be explained by my teammate Ritik.
Economic benefits of wireless charging electric vehicles. No need to carry bulky charging cable in the car. Convenient to use the charger. Safe since the absence of wired connection. Maintenance free. Immune to dirt and water. Infrastructure required to set up charging station. Installation of a transformer, substation equipment and safety equipment. 33 by 11 kilowatt cable and associated equipment for line and meters. Civil works and installation. Land space for charging vehicles and entry or exit of vehicles. Installation of all the charger models approved by local and international standards. Now the concept of refueling cost in electric vehicles will be explained by Mohammad Rakib.
Refueling cost. Recharging an electric vehicle is much cheaper in comparison to refueling an internal combustion engine. This has been a great key selling point for Tesla and other electric vehicles makers, particularly in time when gas prices are short, such as now. Even during the time of Ukraine-Russia war, when gas prices have increased, so have electricity prices. After considering all the factors, we can say that it is still quite a bit more expensive to fill your gas tank than it is to charge your electric vehicle's battery. Most ideas expect associated with cable charging to connect and forgetting to disconnect the cable. Humans are not evolved for plugging in when juggling groceries, kids, or anything that requires three hands. If the cable is dirty. Now the environmental benefits of wireless charging will be explained by Ritik.
Environmental benefits of wireless charging electric vehicles. Electric vehicles can produce zero tailpipe emissions. Even when using fossil fuels, electric vehicles contribute fewer emissions than ICE vehicles, curtailing noise pollution, energy efficiency. Night charging leads to cleaner energy. Conclusion. Charging electric vehicles wirelessly are a reality. Low maintenance cost but high initial cost, better than conventional wired system. Energy crisis can be decreased. Low power loss. In the future, world will be completely wireless. Now the survey report of our project will be explained by my teammate Varun.
The survey of wireless charging in electric vehicles was conducted by our team. Around 150 plus responses were received. Overall, by analyzing the responses, there are various observations. Our survey consists of around 77% males and around 22% females. Most of them belong to age group of 20 to 30. The first question in our survey was whether the people were aware of wireless charging in electric vehicles, and around 85% people responded positively. The second question in our survey was whether the people will prefer wireless charging over wired charging, and more than half of population responded positively. In our third question, we discussed about economic benefits of wireless charging electric vehicles relative to other existing transportation system. And from the survey, we can say that most of the people believe that all of the above listed points are the benefits of wireless charging electric vehicles, and these are as follows. No need to carry bulky charging cable in the car, convenient to use the charger, safe since the absence of wired connection, maintenance free, immune to dirt and water. In our fourth question, we discussed about the infrastructure required to set up a charging station. And from the survey, we can say that all of the above listed points are required to set up a charging station, and the points are installation of a transformer, substation equipment and safety equipment, 33 by 11 kilowatt cables and associated equipment for line and meters, civil works and installations, land space for charging vehicles and entry or exit of vehicles, installation of all the charger models approved by local and international standards. From our fifth question, we can say that more than 73% people believe that there is no maintenance required except for tires, brakes and wiper blades in electric vehicles. From our sixth question in survey, we can say that most of the people think that the cost of wireless charging will be less as compared to other modes of refueling. In our seventh question, we asked from people that what do they think is the most tedious aspect of charging with cables, and most of them think that it is to connect and forgetting to disconnect the cable. In our eighth question, we discussed about the environmental benefits of wireless charging electric vehicles, and most of the people think that all of the above points are the benefits, and these are as follows. Electric vehicles can produce zero tailpipe emissions. Even when using fossil fuels, electric vehicles contribute fewer emissions than ICE vehicles, curtailing noise pollution, energy efficiency. Night charging leads to cleaner energy. And in our last question, we asked about whether wireless system can have any impact on our health, and most of the people think that there is no impact on our health. Thank you.